Question number 18 of your workbook. We have a slight new concept in this in this question. Function is given as min terms, list is given, don't care list is given, but you have to find minimal POS form. What do we need for POS? We need max terms list for POS. Don't care will obviously support both. Don't care support min terms as well as don't care support in the same way to the max terms as well. Now what is the slight new concept? Till the time we have discussed don't care, or I want to say before the time we have discussed don't care, all the numbers missing in the min terms list we used to write down in the max term. We used to write all the numbers missing in the min terms list to the max terms list. Now what is the new concept? All the numbers missing in min terms as well as don't care will come in the max term. All the numbers missing in both the list will now come in the max terms list. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing in both the list, 5 and 6 are don't care, 7, 8, 9 is missing in both the list, 10 is here, 11 is here, 12, 13 and 14 are missing in both the list. And don't care will support both min terms as well as max terms. So don't care will be 5, 6, 11, 15 with max terms also. Don't care support both in the same way. So now see W, X, Y, Z. So let me complete it in POS format. Let us complete in POS format. This is Y plus Z, Y plus Z complement, Y complement plus Z complement, Y complement plus Z. It is in POS format. W plus X, W plus X complement, W complement plus X complement, W complement plus X. Now come to the cell number. Cell number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. These are your cell number. Now max terms you have to fill 4, 9, 12, 13, 14. 4, 9, 12, 13, 14 are your max terms. What about don't care? 5, 6, 11, 15. 5, 6, 11 and 15 is your don't care. Now you try to see this K-map, what is the best possible group for this K-map. I feel some of the students will do a mistake while making the groups. So I want you to try once and then you check from my video whether you have done correct or not. Now the best possible group is this squad along with this squad. So some students, if they try, they may complete the K-map in 3 quads, but 2 quads are sufficient to completely group the K-map. Now let us come to the expression. This quad expression is W complement from this side and this squad is having Z complement from this side. Now this squad is having X complement common from this side and this squad is having Z common from this side. So in POS form, in minimal POS form, answer will be W complement plus Z complement, X complement plus Z. Individual terms are sum terms. We have multiplied the individual sum terms, product of sum. POS, individual terms are sum terms. We have multiplied the sum terms, product of sum. This is the correct answer for question number 18. Workbook, question number 19. Function f is given of 4 variables wx, y, z, which is not equivalent to function f. 4 options are given to you. It means three functions are equivalent to f and one function is not equivalent. These type of questions, the best method is to do by min-terms matching. See, it is not possible that we draw a K-map of this function f and then we try to get options. It will be very difficult because it is itself saying 3 answers will be equivalent to f, only one will not be equivalent to f. So, using K-map and trying to minimize this function, it is not possible. So, the best way to solve these type of questions, is min-terms matching. I will show you what exactly I mean by min-terms matching. For example, say you have expression a complement bc plus a complement b c complement. If you minimize this one by taking a complement b common, this would give you c plus c complement. This is a complement b. Now, whether you check min-terms of this function or whether you check min-term of this function, both will be equal. How? See, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is 2 and 3. This is 0, 1 and don't care. You will introduce c as well as c complement. So this is 2 and 3. So min-terms of this function is also 2 and 3. Min-term of this function is also 2 and 3. Means how many steps we may reduce a function, min-terms will never change. Min-terms of a function will never change. How many steps of reduction you can apply. So in that case, what I have to do now, I have to find min-terms of all the options. For 3 options, min-terms will match with the given function. For one option, min-terms will not match and I have to mark that option only. For example, I will show you wx, y, z. W is not given, x, y, z. So what are the min-terms number? 0 and 8. 0 and 8 are matching, so I have to proceed for the next check. W is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, z is not given. It will give me 4 and 5. For this, you should have a fast practice of calculating min-terms number. 4 and 5 are also matching, you have to check the next one. W is equal to 1, x is not given, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 1. This will give me 8 and 1, 1, 0, 1 is 13. 8 and 13 is also matching. You have to check for the next one. W is not given, x is equal to 1, y is not given, z is equal to 1. This will give me 5, then 0, 1, 1, 1 is 7, 1, 1, 0, 1 is 13, 1, 1, 1, 1 is 15. All the min-terms are matching, means option A is equivalent to F. But what we have to find which is not equivalent? So option A is not the correct answer. Next we have to check for B. W is equal to 0, x is not given, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. This will give me 0 and 4. W is equal to 1, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is not given. This is 8 and 9. Xz we have already calculated, no need to solve it again. It is 5, 7, 13 and 15. 0 and 4 is also present, 8 and 9 is also present, 5, 7, 13, 15 is also present. So option B is also not the correct answer. W complement, Y complement, Z complement already calculated, 0 and 4. W X complement, Y complement already calculated, 8 and 9. This, if you will notice, both these are combinedly equal to XZ only. Both these are combinedly equal to XZ only. It means it is 5, 7, 13, 15. It is 5, 7, 13, 15. So this option C is also not the correct option. Definitely option D has to be correct. Let us check it. For now, there is no time constraint, so I am checking D. In exam, what you should do, if A, B and C are not correct, D has to be correct. Let us check this one. W is not given, X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 0, Z is equal to 0. 0 and 8. 0 and 8 equal. Next. W is equal to 1, X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 0, Z is not given. 8 and 9. It is again equal. Next. W is equal to 0, X is not given, Y is equal to 1, Z is not given. 0, 0, 1, 0. This will give you 2. 2 is not matching. No need to find other three minterms. This 2 is not matching, means this is not equivalent to F. This is not equivalent to F. So you have you have to mark option D only. So you have to mark option D only. Option D is correct. This is one method of solving this question. Let us see another method using K-map. Let us see another method using K-map. Now, all the four options I will plot on the K-map. All the four options I will plot on the K-map. 3 K-maps will be identical. 1 K-map will not be identical. That is the correct answer. For example, X complement, Y complement, Z complement. So X complement means these two, Y complement, Z complement. So let me show you how do I get this term. So if I make a pair of this term, this will give me X complement, Y complement, Z complement. W complement X, Y complement. W complement X, Y complement. These two minterms. So this will give me W complement X, Y complement. W, Y complement Z. W, Y complement Z. Y complement Z. This group. XZ. XZ means this center quad. XZ means this center quad. Now see this one. Sorry. W complement, Y complement, Z complement. W complement, Y complement, Z complement. See, minterms are same. Minterms are same. Just way of mapping is different. We can have different types of mapping for the same function also. So both these minterms are present. These two minterms are grouped in this K-map. They are not grouped in this K-map. So WX complement, WX complement, Y complement, WX complement, Y complement. This one, XZ. Now if you will see, both the minterms are exactly same. Both the minterms are exactly same. Obviously, this is the best grouping possible for this K-map. But if somebody has done this K-map grouping, you cannot say it is incorrect. Obviously, I accept this is not best possible grouping, but there is nothing wrong if I make this grouping. I accept I will not get the minimized answer for this one. I accept I will not get the minimized expression from this K-map, but the way of grouping, there is nothing incorrect in it. Okay? This is the best possible grouping which we can have for this K-map. It means if the function was given to me and you were asked to find the minimized expression, obviously this is the minimized expression possible. Let us see what are the other alternatives. Please see. W complement, Y complement, Z complement. W complement, Y complement, Z complement. W x complement, Y complement. W x complement, Y complement. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. This is X, Y, Z. X, Y complement, Z. X, Y complement, Z. Obviously, this will not give me the best grouping because it can come in a quad. This will not give me the best grouping as it can come in a quad. But if someone has done this, if someone has made this group, I cannot say he has violated any law. All the laws he has used correctly, but just the fact this is not the best possible grouping, due to which I will not get the minimized answer, obviously, that we have seen. Last one. X complement, Y complement, Z complement. X complement, Y complement, Z complement. W x complement, Y complement. W x complement, Y complement. W x complement, Y complement. W complement Y. W complement Y. So W complement Y means this quad. W complement Y means this quad. So obviously this K-map is not matching with the other three K-maps. So the given function, this option D is not equivalent to F. This option D is not equivalent to F. This is the correct option. Question number 20 of the workbook. You have to find number of the product terms in the minimized SOP form. Product terms, how many product terms will be there in the minimized SOP form? So for this we have to make the groups. Now the number of groups which we will make will give you the number of product terms. For example, this corner is one possible group. This will give you one product term. This min term, we will make this group of a pair. This will give me another product term. So there are two product terms in the minimal SOP form of this expression. If you want to know what are the min terms, which are the two min terms, we can complete the K-map with the help of the variables A, B, C, D. Let me write A, B and C, D here. So let me complete this one. A complement, B complement, A complement, B, A, B complement, C complement, D complement, C complement, D, C, D, C, D complement. This quad will give me the product B complement, D complement, and this pair will give me the product A is common from this side, CD complement is common from this side. So the answer is B complement D complement plus AC D complement. So this is the first product term. This is the second product term. So number of product term in minimized SOP format is 2, and these two are the product terms. These are the two product terms, and obviously both these don't care, we have considered to be 0. So 2 is the correct answer of this question. Question number 21 of your workbook. This is a slightly different question. Actually, I do not expect this concept to be asked in these recent years, in the coming years as well. So it was asked, you can see, in very long back in the GATE exam. Actually, the problem with this question is the structure is not correct in the given K-map. It means you cannot directly start grouping in this K-map. You cannot directly start grouping in this K-map. Why? Because you can see 1 0 is written before 1 1. 1 0 is written before 1 1. Actually, we have to shift these two columns with complete structure and complete contents. Complete structure and all contents. See, this A, B, C. Now, what I actually expect after 0 0 and 0 1, this 1 1 should come here, and this is 1 0. Because if it is not gray code, it is not unit distance code, neighboring cells cannot be grouped to reduce the expression. So this change we have to make. There is no problem in this A is equal to 0 and A is equal to 1, due to which this is 1 1 0 0. There is no need to change anything. This 1 1 content will come here and this 0 0 content will come here. Now if you will see this one, this is your group and this is your group. It means this will give me B complement C complement, this will give me B C. So the answer is B complement C complement plus BC. It is B XNOR C. Maybe in option it is given as B XOR C whole complement. So this is the correct answer for this question.